Imagine a world deep in the ocean where a very different kind of intelligence has grown. In this world, there is a creature that challenges everything we think we know about being smart. This animal doesn't just live, it learns, solves problems, and can even predict, escape, and surprise us. What could this be? This creature can fit through tiny openings, change its look in an instant, and use its surroundings in clever ways. Its amazing skills have made people compare it to an alien. But in 2010, one of these creatures surprised the world by correctly guessing the winners of a major soccer tournament. It made 8 predictions, and all of them were right. Was this just luck, a strange habit, or something more? This mysterious creature became famous all over the world, and its name became as well known as its achievements. Paul the Psychic Octopus became a global star during the 2010 FIFA World Cup. From his home at the Sea Life Center in Oberhausen, Germany, Paul was given a simple but confusing job: to predict the winners of soccer games. He was shown 2 boxes of food, each with the flag of a team that was playing. For all 8 games, including the final, Paul always chose the box of the winning team. The chance of being this accurate is incredibly low, which led to debates about whether it was just a coincidence or something magical. Was Paul just reacting to small clues he could see or smell? Or did he have a kind of awareness that we don't understand in animals? Just as interesting is the story of Inky, an octopus who showed that intelligence is also about solving problems and understanding space. In 2016, Inky's brave escape from the National Aquarium of New Zealand caught everyone's attention. This common octopus lived in a secure tank, but saw a small gap at the top. He took his chance, squeezed through the opening, crawled across the floor, and found a drain pipe that went straight to the ocean. The pipe was almost 50 meters long, but Inky moved through it perfectly, showing a sense of direction that amazed the experts. Then there is Otto, a giant Pacific octopus who liked to cause trouble. Unlike Paul or Inky, Otto became famous for his mischief. At the Sea Star Aquarium in Coburg, Germany, Otto learned that if he squirted water at a light bulb above his tank, it would shut down the entire power system and make the building dark. He didn't just do this once, he did it many times, as if he found it fun. He also moved things around in his tank, threw rocks at the glass, and showed other behaviors that seemed planned and curious. Otto's actions show how curious and good at solving problems octopuses can be. What makes octopuses so different from most other animals isn't just that they're smart, though that is surprising enough. The real magic is in how their intelligence is spread out. Humans and many other animals have a main brain in their heads. But octopuses have a nervous system where about 2/3 of their 500 million nerve cells are in their arms. Think about it. Each arm can work on its own, almost like it has its own small brain. It can feel things, handle objects, and even make choices without the main brain telling it what to do. Imagine holding a cup with one hand while your other hand explores something else entirely. For an octopus, this is normal. Engineers who build robots are inspired by this and are trying to create similar systems to improve artificial intelligence and machines. But their intelligence is just one part of the story. The octopus's body is perfectly designed for living and staying safe in the dangerous ocean. Unlike their relatives with shells, like clams and snails, octopuses gave up a hard outer shell for a soft, flexible body. This change in their evolution gave them amazing flexibility. An octopus can squeeze through a space as small as a coin, letting it hide in cracks where bigger animals can't reach. This, along with their speed, makes them hard to catch. However, their most famous survival skill is their skin, which acts like a high-tech camouflage suit. An octopus can blend into its background better than any other animal. Its skin has special cells called chromatophores that can get bigger or smaller to create different colors. Below these are other cells that reflect light, making their disguise look even more real. In just a few seconds, an octopus can change from a bright red-brown color to look like a spot on a rock, even copying the texture of what's around it. This camouflage is not just for hiding. It's also a way to communicate and a tool for hunting. For example, the mimic octopus can pretend to be poisonous animals like lionfish or sea snakes to scare away enemies or trick its food. It's not just copying, it's like acting to survive. As if their outside wasn't amazing enough, their inside has more surprises. An octopus's body has 3 main parts: the head, the mantle, and the arms. The head has a brain as complex as that of many mammals, and its eyes are incredible. Their pupils are shaped like straight lines, which lets them see a special kind of light called polarized light. Not many animals can do this, and it helps them find their way in the water. This way of seeing gives them a special view of their world, making them better at hunting and escaping. The mantle is the muscular bag behind their head that holds their 3 hearts and other important organs. 2 of these hearts, called gill hearts, pump blood to the gills to get oxygen. The 3rd heart, the main heart, sends that oxygen-filled blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, the main heart stops beating when the octopus swims, which is why they often prefer to crawl to save energy. Their blood is blue because it uses a copper-based protein called hemocyanin instead of the iron-based hemoglobin that humans have. Hemocyanin is very good at carrying oxygen in cold water with little oxygen, which lets octopuses live everywhere from sunny shallow waters to the cold, deep sea. But even these skills have their limits. As the oceans get warmer because of climate change, hemocyanin doesn't work as well, which is a big problem for the species. This weakness shows how carefully balanced these creatures are in their environment and reminds us of the serious effects of human actions on sea life. The arms of an octopus are another example of nature's cleverness. Besides having their own nerve networks, these arms have hundreds of suction cups that can both taste and grip. The skill of these arms, along with their strength, makes octopuses powerful hunters. They can pull open the hard shells of clams and crabs using both power and skill. Under their arms is a hard, parrot-like beak, which is where they start to eat. Behind the beak is the radula, a tongue-like strip with tiny teeth that scrapes or drills into their food. These tools let octopuses eat many different things, from fish to shellfish. Maybe one of the most incredible things about an octopus is its ability to regrow lost arms. In the dangerous ocean, where they often face predators, this skill can save their lives. If an arm is cut off, either in a fight or while escaping, the octopus can grow a new one that is complete with nerves, muscles, and working suction cups. Unlike the scars humans get, the new arm is just as good as the old one. This process has interested scientists who study how to heal and regrow body parts. Learning the secrets behind this could change how humans treat injuries and regrow tissue. Beyond their bodies and survival skills, octopuses show a kind of intelligence that makes us rethink what it means to be smart. Stories about individual octopuses, like Otto, who played with hermit crabs for fun, or Paul, who famously guessed World Cup winners, give us small looks into their complex minds. They can solve puzzles, find their way through mazes, and even have different personalities, from shy to brave. In aquariums, they are known to escape from tanks, open jars, and play with their human keepers in ways that show they are curious and can solve problems. As we learn more about these amazing creatures, they keep surprising us, showing us how creative evolution can be. The octopus, with its alien-like body and behaviors, makes us ask what intelligence really is and how life can change in ways that seem like they're from another world. Deep in the ocean, these creatures live their quiet, brilliant lives. Their existence is proof of nature's genius. Through their complex bodies and incredible skills, octopuses remind us of the mysteries still hidden in the oceans, a place as large and unknown as space itself.